Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. So today we are going to be making some quick 15 minutes spicy sausage pasta. Now guys, this pasta is absolutely delicious, and the beauty about this dish is that it comes together pretty quickly in about 15 minutes, just about the amount of time it takes to cook up your pasta. You most likely already have all the ingredients at hand in your pantry, and we had it with our sauteed vegetables to the side, and dinner was so quick and super easy. Please, let's jump right into the recipe. I have here the ingredients. I'm just going to walk you through it really quick. So I have my pasta right here. I always use my white pasta spaghetti with fiber added to it. I shared this before in my stir fry video. I have here some spicy Italian sausages. I have my tomatoes from my pantry. I'm using this tomato and basil paste. Now you want to make sure that it has no preservatives added to it. As you can see, my salt and black pepper. I am going to be using this Italian seasonings blend right here. So I have some Italian seasoning right here. I have some dried oregano, I have my chili flakes, I have some dried basil, and my fennel seeds right here. I have my onion, my garlic. Here I'm going to just quickly stir fry or saute whatever these vegetables to the side. This is just some bell peppers and my broccoli. So what I did was I went ahead and just blanched my broccoli really quick, and I would just saute it together. And I have some cheese, so I'm going to be using this pecorino cheese. Yes, pecorino. It adds such an amazing flavor to this dish, guys. Over here I have my water. It's already been brought to a boil, and I just added some salt with a drizzle of olive oil to prevent our pasta from sticking, and I just added my pasta in there. I will be cooking it while I go ahead and prep the other ingredients to start cooking. So while our pasta is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and just slice up my onion. Next, I'm just going to proceed and just squeeze out the sausages, like so. So to start cooking, I have my pot here, and to that I'm just adding a little bit of oil to that. So you want to cook up your onions until they are nice and caramelized. To the onions, guys, I'm going to add some salt. Always important to season as you go. Some freshly ground black pepper. Smells so good already. Our onions have cooked for about 2 minutes. I'm going to go in with our sausage. Just want to I'm going to add in all our spice blend. I'm also going to press in the garlic. Just make sure I break the sausage more. So guys, make sure that at this point, as you cook your sausage, that you adjust your salts and your seasoning to taste. And what I'm going to go next with my tomato paste. I'm just going to let this cook for another 1 minute, and then we can go ahead and add in our pasta. Pretty simple, guys. Quick but so delicious, infused with a lot of spices. that are great for us, for our health. The sausage and the tomatoes has been cooking for about 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead right now and just add in our pasta. Just stir that in. As you add in your pasta, just make sure to lower your heat, just because we already cooked up our spaghetti and we don't want to overcook it. I'll turn off the heat and we can serve our pasta. So while our pasta was cooking, I had on heat already our vegetables. I'm just going in with some salt. I'm just going to do some black pepper as well. Just drizzle a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to let this cook until the vegetables soften a little bit. Remember, I already blanched my broccoli, so it's not as hard. I'm cooking this on really high heat, guys. Let me say, I'm just going in with a little bit of my Italian seasoning, just a tiny little bit there to give it some flavor. I can also add a little bit of basil, just to give our veggies some flavor, and you want to make sure that your salt tastes. I think it's good to go. I'll just go ahead and turn off the heat right now. So guys, our pasta and our vegetables are all ready to be served. Dinner comes together really quick on this one. I hope you get to try this recipe soon. It is so delicious and mouth-watering. I'm just plating it right now, and I'm also going to be grating my cheese on there. I had some fresh basil leaves. I'm also going to just put it on there to make it look beautiful as usual. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and when you do, turn on your notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you, and bye.